Whoa, this is amazing. We are in this beautiful garden that was given to the world by this guy in the 1930s, Albert Greenberg. This is the Eureka Springs Park in Tampa, Florida, Hillsborough County. And I was looking just for a nice place to do a teaching. Here's my whiteboard, and here's my little Tannhauser mandolin. And it started raining, and then I thought, hey, I can run into the little gazebo over the tiny little Springs River, and then like this cloudburst is happening, and it's so freaking beautiful. It's amazing. This is like probably one of the most exquisite moments that I've had in like years. This is so freaking cool. And it's just good old Tampa, whatever. Tampa, Florida. My goodness. Zoom in on the water lily. Yippee, what a day. Happy Thursday. The second day of June, right? June 2nd? Yes, June 2nd.